Hey guys, today we're making Banh Xeo, Vietnamese Sizzling Crepes. We'll start by making the batter. It uses about 2 cups of rice flour. That's the red bag. Salt. Sugar. A little bit of turmeric. Mix it together. Add about 2/3 cups of coconut milk and 1.5 cup of water or club soda. I'm using club soda today. It lightens the batter up a little bit. We'll give that a good whisk and set it aside while we work on the filling. Typically the filling is made with pork belly and shrimp. I'm going to make it with chicken and shrimp today. I'll heat up some oil in a pan and then add onion and let that cook for a minute or so, and then add my garlic. And next I'll add my chicken, a little bit of salt and pepper. Let that cook until the chicken is cooked through. For the shrimp, you have a couple of choices. You can cook it separately or you can cook it with the crepe. I like cooking it separately and then adding it to the crepe later, just to prevent overcooking the shrimp. So if cooking separately, we'll cook the crepes by heating oil in a pan over medium-low heat. Add about 1/3 cup of batter and then swirl the pan around to distribute. We'll cover it and let that cook for 2 minutes. After the 2 minutes, remove your lid. Add your chicken, your shrimp, bean sprouts, green onions, or whatever filling that you're using. Make sure that filling is off to one side because you'll be folding over the crepes. Let that cook for another couple minutes until it's crispy on the bottom, and then remove onto a paper towel lined plate. You repeat until you've used up all your batter and your filling. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. For this recipe and more, visit craftstocrumbs.com.